Hey, Accounting One, Hicks here. Just want to give you a little heads up on what's going to be happening for async day today, which is Monday, and then for class tomorrow, which is Tuesday. You may remember that I have a conference tomorrow that I'm participating in virtually. So you do not have to come to class on Tuesday, but I've got some work for you to do. Okay. So you could do it all today, Monday. You could do some of it today. You could do some of it tomorrow. It's up to you, completely asynchronous. And we'll go from there. Okay. So let me show you what we're up to. We just took the test over chapters 6 to 8. All right. So now let's go ahead and we're taking a look at a reinforcement activity. And this will help your grade a ton. Okay. If you maybe stumbled a little on that test, or if that form of testing isn't kind of your thing, or if you just want to show off a little bit and show me what you can do with worksheets, financial statements, and adjusting and closing entries. Okay. So let me show you the reinforcement activity. This is what I'd be rolling out in class if I was there tomorrow on Tuesday. Instead, you get to take a little nap, or you can work on it on your own then. Okay. So as you can see, I'm on my Canvas page. All right. And you guys know me now. I like modules. So I'm going to go to modules. And when I get to the end of the chapter 6 to 8 stuff, there's a whole module for December to remember, reinforce. Okay. To December to remember and reinforce. So we are going to do this reinforcement activity. And as always, you can either choose to use Excel or you can open the sheet. And I've tried to make it as user-friendly as possible in that hopefully you don't have to open the book up. Okay. And what you can do when I download it here is you can see, went up to my alternative screen there. Let me put it in here. You can see that I've got the textbook over on the side. Okay, so let me get rid of my picture here so you can see a little better. I've got the textbook over on the side. If you'd rather open the textbook, you can click on the link and that'll take you right to the textbook. But I've copied or cut and paste basically all the instructions in here. All right. This is a continuation of the reinforcement activity we did before. So that's why this is step 12. All right. So don't worry. You didn't miss steps 1 through 11. We already did those. And I didn't know that you'd remember this or not. So I put the name of the company in here. It's Peak Performance. Okay. Remember, we're working on a company, Peak Performance. So your first step is to prepare the trial balance on the worksheet. This is our worksheet, obviously. Okay. And I've already put the name of the company in there. I want you to put in the name of the financial statement. And then it is August 31st, and we're at 4-month ended. All right. So once you have this in, we're ready to do this trial balance. And as it says, we're going to use the ones given in the quote unquote working papers. Well, what that means is I've written it down here. All account trial balance numbers can be found in the Posting Rocks general ledger. Okay, remember, I'm trying to brainwash you into liking posting. So I call it Posting Rocks. So let's take a look at Posting Rocks. Okay. Posting Rocks is this tab right here. And you can see that I've got balances for cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, Skipton University, and they're either debits or credits. All right. So the assets are all debits. And then when I get down to the accounts payable, I've got a credit balance. So you're going to take the final balance number for each of these, and you're going to put them into the worksheet trial balance. So as you go through, okay, super simple. You don't have to type any numbers. Just go ahead and put your balances in. Okay, so just a little click in, back and forth. Once you get these all in, okay, and then you're going to have some credits over here. Then you have a debit for the drawing. Once you get them all in, you're going to go ahead and auto sum them. And you're going to put your total in right there. Okay. So your totals will go in there. They should equal If they don't, go back and find what you did wrong. Okay. Remember, there'll be no balance yet for insurance expense or supplies expense. And then you're ready to go ahead and do the adjustment information. Okay. When you get finished, you should find a net income. All right. So make sure you fill that in the question marks. And then you'll be in good shape. Okay. So get going on the worksheet. It's a fun review. It's not too difficult. I want you guys to get the worksheet done on Monday for async time. And then for Tuesday, I'm going to have you start working on the financial statements. And I'm going to give you, in my announcement, I'll give you some number checks for the income statement and the balance sheet. Okay. Feel free to work through this at your own pace. If you want to throw your adjusting entries in there, great. If you want to do some posting of your adjusting entries, that's great. We'll work through the closing entries probably on Thursday of next week, and then we'll wrap this up before the holiday. Okay? So big thing for today then is go ahead and work on the worksheet, and let's try to get the financials done Tuesday by the time you call it quits for Tuesday. Okay, so just worksheet and financials. All right. Hey guys, sorry I can't see you on Tuesday, but again, cool conference. I'll tell you a little bit more about it on Thursday, and I will see you guys later. Okay, talk to you soon.